Selling your products in Japan means meeting quality requirements. Japanese regulations specify QMS requirements. Let's take a closer look. Manufacturers of new Class 1 and all Class 2, 3, and 4 devices must use a quality management system which is compliant with the PMDL and MHLW Ordinance No. 169. They also must submit a QMS conformity assessment application. These quality system requirements are similar to those in ISO 13485. A certificate of QMS conformance is issued to an MAH or manufacturer when they pass the QMS conformity assessment. It's valid for 5 years. The manufacturing facilities listed on the certificates are exempt from future conformity assessments when devices from the same product groups are registered with the PMDA or RCB. Ordinance 169 pertains to quality management requirements in Japan. Manufacturers with ISO 13485 certification will find Ordinance 169 to be similar, but there are some differences. For example, ISO 13485 is a certification process, whereas Ordinance 169 compliance is an accreditation for foreign manufacturers and a licensure for domestic manufacturers. Also, requirements for facilities, environment, and infrastructure are more detailed in Ordinance 169 than in ISO 13485. In general, Ordinance No. 169 standards are just a bit higher and more specific. Class 1 devices are similar to self-certified devices in that typically they're not audited. For Class 2 devices, they're audited by registered certified bodies, as well as some Class 3 devices. Class 3 and 4 devices are audited by the PMDA, and in some instances, that particular prefectural government's official. QMS audits are based on product grouping as defined by MHLW Ordinance No. 95, Product Group Regulation. A product group is not a JMDN code. It has wider grouping, so multiple JMDN codes will form one product group. Connections between JMDN and product group are defined by MHLW Notification 0911 No. 5. In this module, we covered quality management systems for manufacturers and MAHs. We also looked at who performs audits and how they're based on product groups. In our next module, we'll cover pre-market applications and other required documentation.